This video is here to help you when comparing integers up to 10 million. Remember, an integer is a whole number. Let's remind ourselves of the math symbols we use when comparing. This symbol means greater than, this symbol means less than, and this symbol means the same as or equal to. When we compare numbers, we can use a place value chart to help us. This will make sure that we are looking at the value of each of the digits in a number. For example, in this number, the digit 3 has a value of 3 millions or 3 million. The digit 2 has a value of 200,000 or 200,000. The digit 7 has a value of 7 10,000s or 70,000. The digit 6 has a value of 6,000 or 6,000. The digit 5 has a value of 500s or 500. The digit 1 has a value of 110 or 10. And the digit 8 has a value of 8 ones or 8. Let's compare this number to a similar number. When we compare numbers, we start with the place value column that has the highest value. That is the digit that is the furthest to the left. If we look at both numbers, we can see that they each have a 3 in the millions column, so they both have the same number of millions. If we move along to the hundred thousands column, we can see that the top number has 200,000s, but the bottom number has 700,000s. Because 7 is greater than 2, we can see that the bottom number is greater. We don't need to look at any other of the digits. We can write this as 3,276,518 is less than 3,726,518. Now it's your turn. You are going to compare two numbers, starting with the place value column, which has the highest value. Which number is greater? 2,457,863 or 2,457,683. Pause here and unpause when you're ready to check your answer. Both numbers have 2 millions, 400,000s, 5 10,000s and 7,000s. In the hundreds column, the top number has 800s and the bottom number has 600s. Therefore, 2,457,863 is greater than 2,457,683. Now you're going to use what you've learned to solve these challenge questions by choosing the correct symbol to complete the number statement. How did you get on? Did you remember to line up the different place value columns even though the numbers had a different number of digits? 2,645,817 is greater than 645,817. 487,310 is less than 4,087,310. I hope this has helped you to understand how to compare numbers up to 10 million. If you're looking for more maths videos just like this one, make sure you head to the Twinkl website to check them out. See you next time. This video is here to help you when ordering positive integers. Remember, an integer is a whole number. When we're ordering numbers, we're comparing their values and we're putting them in an order based on this. Sometimes we order numbers from smallest to greatest, and we call this ascending order. Sometimes we order numbers from greatest to smallest, and we call this descending order. When we order numbers, we can use the place value chart to help us. Let's have a look at these three numbers and put them on a place value chart. 6,512,837, 6,538,257, and 5,612,738. Let's put these numbers into ascending order. Remember, that means we will arrange them from smallest to greatest. When we order numbers, we start with the place value column that has the highest value, the digit that is furthest to the left. For these numbers, this is the millions column. A and B each have 6 millions and C has 5 millions. We know 5 millions is less than 6 millions, so C is the smallest number. We can cross C out as it has now been ordered. A and B have the same number of millions, so we need to look at the digit in the hundred thousands column. A has 500,000s and B also has 500,000s, so now we need to look at the digits in the 10,000s column. A has 1 10,000 and B has 3 10,000s. We know 1 10,000 is smaller than 3 10,000s, so A is the smaller number. This means that B is the greatest of the three numbers. In ascending order, the numbers are 5,612,738, then 6,512,837, and finally 6,538,257. Now it's your turn. You're going to put three numbers into descending order. Remember that descending order means from greatest to smallest. Pause the video when you are ready. When we compare the digits in the millions column, all three numbers have 3 million. So we need to look at the hundred thousands column. A and C both have 200,000s and B has 800,000s. So B is the greatest number. Now we need to compare the 10,000s in the remaining numbers. Both A and C have 8 10,000s, so we need to look at the thousands column. A has a 4 in the thousands column, and C has a 5 in the thousands column, so C is the greatest number. Finally, we can write A as the smallest number. Well done if you put the numbers in the correct order. Are you ready for a challenge? You need to write the correct digit in the missing digit spaces in each number to make sure that the numbers are in ascending order. Did you find the missing digits? I hope that this video has helped you to understand how to order numbers up to 10 million. If you're looking for more maths videos just like this one, make sure you check out loads more on the Twinkl website. See you next time.